Thank you for tuning into these updates. Now, after such a positive bounce from down over here, which we called, Bitcoin actually not only reclaimed our first key resistance, but the second one. Now, it does seem as if we have come back down for support. And even earlier on this current 4-hour candle, we were actually moving up. So it looked like we had caught support and that we were breaking out, but we need a candle close after confirming it as support to continue higher. So as we've only got 25 minutes of this candle, and by the time you've watched this would have closed already, and us not actually being above this level of 67k currently, it's just a suggestion that we are coming back down to test this key area over here. So this was once a support. When we lost this key area, this was the next level of support that we found right over there on this wick. We had a close under the wick that reclaimed it and then confirmed it as support. So then I marked the two lowest points between these two areas. And then going forward, I know that this is a key level of support, and we can see it did actually react as resistance also. So as we have reclaimed it with a strong bullish reversal off of the 200 EMA, which is what I called for when I made the video yesterday all the way down over here. I said if Bitcoin can actually hold the 200 EMA on the 4-hour, then we're going to reverse. And then these are the two key levels that we must see reclaimed. So one has been reclaimed. We had a go at reclaiming it and continuing, but at the moment we're just coming down to the previous level to hold it as support. We could even just come to the 20, but it is this key level of support that we want to use as a pivot point. As we started this move up, trying to finish the correction, it's not over yet, guys. Please do understand it. It's just an amazing first step from this point. Guys, please do go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and share if you haven't already. It does bump up the algorithm as we're trying to get to 10k as quick as possible. And so heading back to Bitcoin, we need this area to hold and use this as a pivot point to continue to the next key level, which is around $70,000. From this point, we started reversing, and then the first significant high is this point over here. So we're retracing back to it. I'm going to now find some retracement levels, some key levels, and we're meant to run into this golden pocket and actually get bearish continuation. But we can, of course, invalidate that. As we actually push through the 786, we're trying to create the reversal wave. So you need to hold the golden pocket, and it's lovely to see that what I have just been saying, which is marking out these two key levels over here, it's actually also in line exactly with the golden pocket. So the golden pocket is between these levels over here. And essentially, we just want to hold them for bullish continuation. And guys, we can see that the 1618 is calling for a return back to this high, but not only that, for us to eventually push through and target even higher. So by already pulling back just to this high, we're talking about an 82k Bitcoin if this reversal wave does take place. And then we follow a path sort of like this. And you could call it inverse head and shoulders. But guys, this is what the Fibonacci's are suggesting. So have this in mind, which is back at this high, and then have these targets in mind. But yes, we would of course need to hold the golden pocket to go to those targets, but it's actually fine to lose the golden pocket. Just understand that it means that for the moment we're not going here. We're looking to hold this, the 200 EMA. If we can then reverse again and reclaim the golden pocket, then we're back on that path. So don't get thrown off if we fall underneath this. It's just actually all about the main support level, the 200 EMA, this area over here. And previously I showed you as we were coming down that this was one of my first support targets as we were lining up very nicely with the 200 EMA. And we called this bounce super duper nicely from this bottom. But yeah, that's it from me today. If you want further content, guys, I've been getting so many questions with people messaging me on Twitter asking for individual help. If you want that, then I'd consider joining the Discord community. It's only $25 a month, and you get private live streams in there as well twice a week, on top of finding out all my cryptos, having access to my buy alerts and all my trades as well. So yeah, the links are down below. If you want something more one-to-one, I've got a one-on-one mentorship plan, and I've also got an ebook. So yeah, all links are down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.